Have you ever seen an ad promising you'll make $10,000 a month by doing almost nothing? Yeah, me too. And here's the kicker: 76% of young adults believe they will have a better financial future than their parents. Yet many fall for these get rich quick schemes. So let's break down the biggest wealth building lie and what actually works. Welcome back to Simply Money. Everybody wants to make money fast. It's tempting. Whether it's crypto gurus flipping houses with no money down, or some secret system that only costs $997.99. We've all seen the hype, but here's the truth. If getting rich was easy, everyone would be rich. Today we're exposing the quick wealth building lie and revealing what actually leads to long-term financial success. The biggest issue: people fall for the illusion of overnight success. Social media is flooded with rented Lambos, fake income screenshots, and self-proclaimed millionaires. But here's what they don't tell you: high risk, low reward. Most get-rich-quick schemes collapse faster than they start. Survivorship bias. You only see the one person who made it, not the thousands who failed. The burnout cycle, where people chase quick money, lose big, then repeat the cycle. Let's break down some of the most common traps and why they rarely work. Day trading and hot stock tips. Studies show the majority of day traders lose money. Crypto and meme stocks. Sure, a few people win, but most buy too late and lose big. Drop shipping and passive income schemes. Often oversaturated markets where most sellers never turn a profit. Multi-level marketing, MLMs. A significant number of participants lose money or break even. Now, let's talk about what actually works. 1. Consistent investing. A person investing just $10 a day in the S&P 500 could have $500K in 30 years. 2. Building skills, not schemes. The more you earn per hour, the less you rely on hustles. I know side hustles is the big thing, but you can also try to improve your skills to make more per hour. Then you don't have to have a side hustle. Entrepreneurship, the right way. Real businesses solve problems, not sell dreams. See, the biggest lesson: wealth isn't built overnight. It's built over time. The people flashing success online are either selling a lie or took years to get there. Stick to real, proven strategies and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. What's the worst get-rich-quick scheme you've seen? Or maybe even you've fallen for? I fell for the MLM back 30 years ago. I thought I could try it and I'd get up and going and make some extra money for my family. But I ended up having to buy more stuff than I sold. That's okay. What have you fallen for? Or what have you seen that you have steered clear of? Put that in the comments below. Share with the community what you've seen so they can steer clear of it as well. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're serious about real wealth building, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so you're notified of future videos. And we'll see you next time on Simply Money.